نحمده ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سي الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله الصلاة والسلام عليك يا نبي الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا نور الله. My dear Islamic brothers and Islamic sisters, it's giving me immense pleasure that by the grace of Almighty Allah and mercy of Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnat Damad Katamul Aliyah, we are starting a series of speeches in English language regarding the beliefs of Ahl Sunnah. We also discuss the events like Milad Sharif, Gyami Sharif and other occasions in this series. I would also like to reply and answer all the critiques, questions on the social media, and we will try our best to provide the right and authentic information to the nation. Pray with me that may Almighty Allah give us ability to serve the religion in a right way. Say Ameen. Bijahi Nabi al-Ameen sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.